Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about parallelogram law of addition of vectors. A few problems, example problems we are going to discuss. See, our first problem is they have given, in that problem only they have mentioned that F1, F2, two forces are acting and the resultant is R. All these three are having the same magnitude. Find the angle between F1 and F2. How to find out? Look here. F1 bar, F2 bar, F2 R bar, all are having the same magnitude. Same new number they are having. We should consider that is the F. Find angle between F1 and F2. How to find out? We can go through the parallelogram law of addition of vectors. See what is that? Resultant equals to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. Instead of R we are writing F. Instead of both the sides we are taking the square, means F square. This is also F square plus 2F square cos theta. Now you see, in this all F squares are cancelled. We are getting 1 equals to 2 plus 2 cos theta. From this 2 cos theta equals to minus 1. Then cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. So theta equals to 180 degrees. Why? Instead of minus 1 by 2, we can write it cos 120 degrees. At that time, if you want to write one more step also, cos theta equals to cos 120 degrees. Cos cancel, theta equals to 120 degrees. Then one more problem is the simple problem. The given data is mod of A bar plus B bar equals to mod of A bar plus mod of B bar. Same, find the angle between A bar and B bar. How to find out in this case? Look here. We know that resultant of this one from the parallelogram law of addition of vector is, we can write first the given data. See, under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. These are the magnitude. Sum of the magnitude means normal algebraic formulas you are following that. It should be right A plus B like that. Then we are taking both the sides square. See, this one is the here square and under root cancel, and this side we are getting the square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta equals to here A square plus B square plus 2AB we are getting. A plus B whole square formula. So which are cancelled? When A square is coming this side, it becomes to minus, it will cancel, B square is cancelled. Remaining is 2AB cos theta equals to 2AB. 2AB cancel. Cos theta equals to how much? 1. Instead of 1 we are writing cos 0 degrees. So cos cancel. What is the angle between them? Theta equals to 0 degrees. Then our next problem is, the given data is R maximum by R minimum is how much? 3:1. Already you know that whenever it is maximum means we can write it A plus B. Minimum is the A minus B. You can take P and Q also, nothing will happen. So A plus B equals to, do the cross multiplication, 3A minus 3B. Then we are getting 4B equals to how much here? 2A. What is the relation between them? A equals to 2B. So these are the three problems based on the parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Our next problem is, the given data is, they have given R maximum is 17, R minimum is the 7, and they have given angle between them is 90 degrees. Instead of 90 degrees, they will mention in that problem both are right angle to each other, means immediately we can take it theta equals to 90 degrees. In this case, find the resultant. Look here. First of all, we can go through the R maximum means we can take it P plus Q is 17, and R minimum they have mentioned that P minus Q is 7. When we are simplifying this, 2P equals to how much? 24. So P equals to 12 units. From this, Q equals to how much? Q equals to 17 minus P. 17 minus 12 is the 5 units. Now you know the P value, Q value and angle. then the resultant is under root p square plus q square. So 12 square plus 5 square under root 144 plus 25 r equals to, this is 169, we are writing 13 square. After simplification, r equals to how many units? 13 units. Very simple problem. You know the maximum, minimum. Easily we can find out the p and q. Then we know the angle. From that you can get it. What is the resultant? Magnitude of this resultant. Then our next problem is, which pair never give resultant equals to 2 newtons? Look here, it is very simple problem. We can take the fraction of seconds to solve this one. Resultant, reverse of that one, resultant, they have given 2 newtons and they have given 4 pairs of forces. So which 2 forces it gives it never gives. How to find out? Look here. Suppose we should take, this is F1 and F2. In this case, F maximum is how much? Otherwise, first we can go through the minimum. F minimum is 2 minus 2, 0. And F maximum equals to 4 newtons. Yes, 2 is the in between 0 and 4. It is possible. So it is not our answer. They are asking never pair. Then 1 newton and 1 newton. Here F minimum is 0 and F maximum equals to 2 newtons. It is possible because resultant is the 2 newtons. Either 2 newtons or in between 0 and 4 also 2 newtons. Then third one, F minimum equals to how much? Minus 2 newtons and F maximum equals to how much? 4. But it is also possible. 2 is in between minus 2 and 4. Then come to fourth one. In this case, they have given F minimum is, the pair is 1 newton and 4 newtons. Look, 1 minus 4 is the 3 newtons and F maximum is how much? Here we won't get the magnitude, means always we will get the positive only. Here F maximum equals to 5 newtons. Here also F minimum is 2 newtons. This one. So our fourth option, it is not, because this is 2 newtons means resultant is 2 newtons. It is also possible. First pair is possible, second pair is possible, third pair is possible, but fourth is our answer. Why it is not possible? Look here, minimum is how much? 3 newtons. Maximum is 5 newtons. So minimum and maximum, but the resultant is 2 newtons. So this is not possible. Our fourth option is right. Look here. Here 2 newtons are there. Between 0 and 4, 2 newtons are there. And here also 2 newtons is possible. But fourth pair only it is not possible. Then come to our next problem. In the problem only they have given that alpha equals to, one vector is making, resultant is making an angle of alpha equals to 90 degrees with that one. Find the P and Q. Look here. We know that tan alpha equals to, tan 90 degrees is how much? Infinity. Infinity we should write it 1 by 0. Very important concept. Here the formula is Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. P plus Q cos theta. When we do the cross multiplication, we are getting P plus Q cos theta equals to how much? 0. After simplification, cos theta equals to minus P by Q. Now we know the cos theta. Then we know the maximum P plus Q also. They have given 80 and angle between it will make 90 degrees. Now you come to this one. See, resultant, what is that? R equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. Instead of cos theta, we can write it minus P by Q. So which is cancelled here? Q cancelled. R equals to how much? Under root Q square minus P square. This is the resultant. Now look here, R equals to, it should be right, P plus Q into Q minus P. In our problem they have given maximum 18. So resultant R equals to under root 18 and Q minus P into Q minus P. r equals to under root 18 into q minus p. But in our problem only they have given resultant also. So we should substitute in this. 12 equals to under root 18 into q minus p. Both the sides we are taking the square, 144, and the square end that under root is cancelled, q minus p. After simplification, q minus p equals to 8. Already we know that q plus p equals to 18. After simplification, 2q equals to 26. Then q equals to how much? 13. When you know the q, we can find out the p also. 18 minus 13, 5. See, try to understand this one, very important concept. The given data is an vector is making 90 degrees with the resultant. We should consider p is making 90 degrees. You know parallelogram law of addition of vectors. These two are two vectors like this. Resultant alpha they have given clearly in this problem 90 degrees. So tan alpha equals to how much? Tan 90 is the infinity. I have written 1 by 0 equals to this one. When we are doing the cross multiplication, we are getting the expression for cos theta is minus p by q. So you should remember that if any vector is making 90 degrees with resultant, means cos theta is how much? Minus p by q. Then substitute in resultant formula under root p square plus q square plus 2pq instead of cos theta minus p by q. Then we are getting q square minus p square, because it is minus 2p square plus p square means minus p square. Then it is like a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b. Here maximum already they have given 18 units, and this is q minus p. After simplification, we can able to find out the what is the q value and what is the p value. Next problem is p minus q equals to 10 newtons. P bar minus q bar equals to 10 newtons, and under root p square plus q square equals to 50. When the angle is 90 degrees, the resultant is 50. From this, how to find out the p and q? Look here. We can go through the same parallel. P square plus q square, here minus is there, means 2pq cos theta equals to 100. After that, 2pq cos theta is 2400. Then p plus q, you know parallelogram law of addition of vectors, under root p square plus q square, we are writing 50. Then 2pq cos theta, we are writing 2400. After simplification, we are getting p equals to 14 newtons and q equals to 13 newtons. This is the given data. P bar plus q bar equals to r bar equals to 20 newtons, and alpha resultant is making an angle 30 degrees with this one. How to find out the magnitude of q? Look here. We are writing mod of p bar plus q bar is equals to taking resultant r bar. Q bar we should write it r bar minus p bar. Then we can go through the parallelogram law of addition of vectors. This you should write it q square. This is r square plus p square minus 2pr. Angle you know that cos alpha we are taking cos 30 degrees. Substitute all values. We are getting q square equals to r square is how much? 20 square. P square is the 20 root 3 whole square, means into 3, minus 2 into 20 root 3. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. This 2 to cancel. So q square equals to 20 square I am taking common. 1 plus 3 minus root 3 into root 3. This one cancel. So q square equals to 20 square. Then q equals to how much? 20. So like that we can find out this one. Generally we are sticking only for this formula. We can go through the under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. But here I am sending p is that side. That already clearly they have given angle between these two is 30 degrees. This is also vector, this is also vector. The thing is this is minus. That's why we can make and we can find out the r equals to 20. See, parallelogram law of addition of vectors is very easy. Easily we know that magnitude is under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, and direction also you know that. While doing problems only, there are different methods to solve this one. Even for practically on one person, on one body, many forces are acting. At that time, how to find out the resultant means based on this we can find out. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel. If any intermediate students are there, please forward it.